For a YouTube summary, I'll be talking about what I learned in chapter 15, which is waves and sound, and how I will be bringing that to my personal topic is baseball and the waves of baseball, such as like when crowds do a wave or the crack of the bat. It's all a transverse wave in a way. If you notice how they go up, the waves go on the crowd like this, it goes up, they go down. And then when a player hits a ball in the bat like this, if you look in super slow-mo, it goes like this. It's going to move. It's a certain wave, right? And it all depends. There's different like types of wave, but the wave that involves the baseball wave and this wave are transverse waves. And for hitting the bat, it's all about it all comes from the intensity of how hard, or the sweet spot, right? So if you hit it at the end of the bat, you're going to have a lot more vibration throughout the bat. I mean, you're not really going to see much from Little League. It's also like depending on how fast you swing the bat, your trajectory, the angle of the bat, if you chop down or go up on the bat, it all depends. But sweet spots for a different day. But one thing that I've learned is that if you hit at the end of the bat, you're going to have more of a ripple effect and more of that transverse wave in a way. Where like an example for, let's just say, exit velocity for sound and wave, how hard you hit the ball off the bat. That's like an example, like the Doppler effect, where like the higher the speed, the bigger the shift is when it comes to how hard the ball comes off the bat. And that's why you see all these crazy stat lines of like launch angle, bat speed, exit velocity, all that. That's because that's the Doppler effect. You see the intensity. It all just comes together when it comes to hitting the ball off of the bat, because I mean, give or take, if by hitting at the end of the bat, it's not going to do too hot. If you're going to hit the middle, the sweet spot is the best spot, and you're going to get that much ripple in the bat because, like I said, that's what I'm talking about the day, but hitting this part of the bat is the best. Like in a wave, and so let's just say, I forgot what mechanism or what type of thing it is, but you bring a line like this, right? And it's like a slingy. You hit like this, it's going to go here, 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 just like a wave. You go up and down, and that's the type of transverse wave.